Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a transmittal letter. What is a transmittal letter? A transmittal letter is a business letter and is formatted accordingly. It should include the recipient's address, sender's address, distribution list, a salutation and closing. It typically includes why it should receive the reader's consideration, and what the reader should do with it. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a transmittal letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date today. And then, write the personal information of the recipient. Write the full name. After that, write the position or title in the company. And write the company's or organization's name. Under the name, write the full address. Don't forget to mention the city, state, and zip code. Now, you can open the letter with Dear Me or Ms. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you need to do introduction. Here, write what information you want to give through this letter. Here, you may have attached a report along with this letter. And you can mention it in the beginning. Do this when the documents attached become the most crucial part of this letter. And give brief explanation about the points you want to give in this letter. In the second paragraph, write more about the transmission. In this case, you must have done a research. Here, you can tell more about it. You may have mentioned recommendations and specific plans in the first paragraph. This time, write more about the research or analysis. Write if they have similar products and so on. You need to also mention the specific things like how your time already started to make some moves. Mention where you gather the data and how. And you can give brief conclusion about the research. In this case, the sender concludes that selling the recipient's products online is the best option for the business. You need to also support this conclusion with an outline of plan marketing. And don't forget to mention that you have attached the report and ask the recipient opinion about it. In the third paragraph, say thank you for the recipient for trusting your company. And show your gratitude by saying how you are excited to work together for a long time with the recipient's company. and offer the recipient to ask any questions by giving your contact number or email. And you can write the closing sentence by showing your excitement about this project. Finally, close the letter with sincerely. Write your signature and full name. So, that's how you write a transmittal letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.